Peace be with you.
And you, Master?
Will your boat bear me, Simon?
Why not?
Push the boat out further to the deep water. Then you and your partners let down your nets for a catch.
Oh, Master, we worked hard all night long and caught nothing. But if you say so, I'll let down the nets. James! John!
James, John! Get your boat over and give us some help! We can't! Hurry! Hands full.
We'll on the far end of the net. You don't overload this side. That's enough. That's enough!
Go away from me, Lord. I am a sinful man.
Don't be afraid. From now on, you will be catching men.